Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make logo design with golden ratio. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. I make a sketch on paper, you make logo then you try it on paper first. Select ellipse tool and make perfect circle. Go to transform and put value 1.618, press Alt plus enter. Do the same process 5 times. Size the circles with your logo shape. Now make a shape with circles, watch carefully, this is the main thing for your logo shape. Select Shape Builder tool and make a shape with it. Delete extra shapes with Shape Builder. Adjust the shape. Convert it into fill and put it on background. color it. Make side shadows. I'm using dark yellow to make a logo more attractive. Put text in it. I'm using Good Times font and Helve Light Regular. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.